The Daliang Mountains in Sichuan Province, once the poorest part of China, have witnessed the tenacity, will, and determination of generations of CPC members who work together against all difficulties to ensure a good life for the people. In 1970, the Chengdu-Kunming Railway was open to traffic, thanks to 300,000 construction workers. It travels through the Daliang Mountains and connects the isolated land with the outside world.
This 就是特别列车，它见站就停，有货就装，客货兼运，手续简便，运费低廉。
Times are changing, but the special trains are still running at the same speed and price, with the same intention to help the locals live a happy life. Today, these green trains are still operating on schedule to take farm goods and livestock along the line out of the mountains.
这个火车是贴着跑的，人家都是为老百姓服务，为我们。
While more and more people in China are enjoying high-speed trains, 81 slow trains like this around the country are kept as a public welfare program. The E-people take the train to visit relatives and friends, go to the market to earn money, or go to school. In 2014, the Chengdu-Kunming Railway started its capacity expansion and transformation. Meanwhile, people in Liangshan are getting on the path toward moderate prosperity. On February 11, 2018, Xi Jinping came to the depths of the Daliang Mountains to learn about the lives and concerns of the impoverished Yi families.
社会主义呢，就是要让人民啊，过上幸福美好的生活。人民的美好生活啊，一个民族啊，一个家庭，一个人都不能少。
Relocating impoverished people, revitalizing industries, and improving infrastructure and education are some of the measures that have injected new life into this poor land.